Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Olympic Quiz Fest Day 1 quiz number 2, which is Women in Olympics. It's a quiz on anything and everything related to women in Olympics. So let's move on to the next slide. Here we have as quiz master Papuri Devi and Rushmita Kalita. So they will take you through the quiz and I will come back at the end of the video again. So the rules are pretty bit simple. They will explain what the rules are all about, but the golden rule is submit the answers within the 300 seconds of showing the thank you slide. So the last slide is shown and submit the answer script within the 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes of the end of the video. So here with the rule slide we have Rushmita and Papuri. So handing over to you the whole stage.
So hello everyone. Today's quiz will be having 21 questions and there will be 210 marks in total, no negative marking, and 10 marks each for correct answer. It can be plus 10 or plus 5 for part questions. So first 11 question will be done by me. After that, Miss Papuri Devi will join us. So let's start the quiz then. So first question, a very simple one. Budhiti Bell and Brass Craft are the GI tagged products made out of alloy at Budhiti, which is a small village in Srikakulam district of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Srikakulam district is one of the 9 districts in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Andhra region of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, with its headquarters located at Srikakulam. Now the actual question is, with an otherwise ordinary district, what brought Srikakulam into the national headlines few decades back? So basically what I want is, what was the incident, or rather I would say a fortunate incident due to which Srikakulam got all the highlights. Like it was in everywhere in the news channels and even in the newspaper. So just tell the incident due to which Srikakulam was brought into the national headlines few decades back. Okay, so I think we can move on to the next question. So we can see a picture of a lady in the question. So born on 30 September 1970 in Haryana, she is an Indian athlete who won a silver medal few years back. An Arjun awardee and Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna awardee. Just simply identify the lady in the picture. So the reason I put this question in this quiz is that we all know who is PV Sindhu, who is Mary Kom, but I think faces like her should also be popularized because she also deserves the same fame as the other female Olympians. So a very easy one. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Okay, so here we can see a picture with 3 women. So you just have to tell what historical moment is depicted in the picture, and that is for plus 5. And the next part is just identify the woman at the center. Very easy one. I hope if you have read the history of Olympics, then you might have came across this thing. So very important and very famous, I would say. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Karnam Malleshwari, MC Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Mirabai Chanu, and Lovelina Borgohain are the only Indian women to have won a medal in the Olympics. We all know this, right? So the question is, out of this 8 achievement, how Sakshi Malik's win is unique compared to the rest of the medalists? So simply you have to tell that why Sakshi Malik's win is uncommon, and in what way it is not common to the win of the other women medalist. Okay, so I think enough time. We can move on to the next question. A very easy one, I would say. It is the logo of a clothing brand which was started by a highly talented sportswoman. Just name the popular face behind this brand. For the clue part, I would say don't think anything Indian. Rather, you can guess about some international sportswomen. Very popular. A very easy one. The logo itself is very easy one, right? Like we have simply a letter. So I think it's easy to guess. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Dash Hamara. So it is basically a Amul ad which was released by Amul in a particular occasion, I would say. So you just have to complete the title of the ad, which is Dash Hamara. So what I want is, what will be the word in the gap, like dash. It is just a one word. Sorry. And the picture is itself a big clue. Also, on what occasion this ad was released by Amul? For the clue part, I would say the green and yellow color is something you can take a hint from. For the second part of the question, that is on what occasion this ad was released by Amul. So this question is for +5, 2 part. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, so born in Finland in 1951, she is a retired sprinter who specialized in the 400 meters. She was a member of the Finnish silver medal 4 into 400 meter relay team at the 1974 European Athletics Championship in Rome. She also competed at the 1972, 1976, and 1980 Olympics. However, in 1981, she became one of the 2 women to achieve a certain something. So what was her achievement? So you just simply have to tell what were her achievement that she made in 1981, and she's one of the 2 women to achieve that thing in 1981. So and she's from Finland. So simply tell what did she achieve in 1981. Okay, moving on to the next question. Meaning a large hill or a large slope. X is a major financial center of Japan. It is the capital city of X prefecture and is the second largest metropolitan area in the country of Japan. Also, it is the 10th largest urban area in the world with more than 19 million inhabitants. So simply give what is X, which is also the surname of a very talented player who made into headlines recently. So basically, you have to tell what is X, which is also a surname of a very talented woman player. And the name is very much popular. So I think it would be easy to guess. And Japan is itself a biggest clue that you can take from the question. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Sorry. So this is a picture which is, I think, not very common, that something we see in our regular life, in our day-to-day life. So the question goes like this: not a satanic ritual, but this is one of the sports of Olympics, which is meant only for women participant. So you just have to tell what is the old popular name of this sport. So this is a sport which is in Olympics, but it is meant only for women participant, meaning that men cannot participate in this event. And this a few years back, the name was changed for this particular sport. So you just have to give the popular old name of this particular sport, not the new name, but the old one. Okay, so moving on to the next question. I think the picture is a total giveaway, like very easy one. It is a poster of a biopic which was released in June 1984. Sadly, the movie makers never contacted the person on which the biopic was based before making the biopic. On which she said, "I sincerely don't even want to see it. I feel so badly about it, and it distorts my life so totally." So you just have to name the woman, name the very popular face of sports on which this particular biopic was made. So it was released in 1984, and I think the picture is enough to get the answer. Okay, so next, moving on to my last question. Simply a connect question, I would say. Here you can see three women, three sportswomen, I would say. Not taking the names, otherwise it will be very easy, to get the answer through Google. So I'm not giving the names. Just see the pictures and give a common connect. So there are three ladies, three women in the picture, and I just want a common connect between these three women, a particular connect. The first picture is, of course, of Mary Kom, known like a very known face. Other two are maybe known by many, but still there are chances that many still don't know. So I'm not taking the names of the other two women, other two sportswomen. So you just have to give the common connect between the three pictures. So that's all from my side. Uh, the rest of the questions will be asked by Miss Papuri Devi. So Papuriba, over to you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, myself Papuri Devi. And before starting the quiz, I want to say one thing. After the end of the question will be redone, and you can correct the sequences of the quiz. So I'm starting my part. So in the picture, the lady born in Georgia, she was an athlete who specialized in high jump. Just tell why her win in the 1948 Olympics was very significant in the history of Olympics. See, her win is something memorable one, and that's why I'm asking it. So just give the answer why her win is in 1948 Olympics was very significant. So moving to the next question. She was born in Bangalore, India. She became the first ever Indian to represent India in sports in Olympic as she took part in the Rio Olympic 2016. She won National Junior Championship 3 times in a row, 2012, 2013, 2014. In a recent interview, she revealed that she hasn't had a coach for last 5 years and she trained by herself. In spite of that, she gave a remarkable performance this time. Whom am I talking about? So think about a recent phenomenal performance in Tokyo 2020 Olympic, and then you can guess her name. She participated in Olympic in an event which is for the first time, and she first took participate in Rio Olympics, and second she took part in 2020 Tokyo Olympics. So whom am I talking about? I think you can remember the name, phenomenal performance given by her. If you think about the Tokyo Olympics 2020, then I think you can guess her name. Moving to the next question. Yeah, she is Oksana Susovitina from Uzbekistan. She had participated in 2020 Olympics and it became her 8th Olympics. She received standing ovation after she failed to qualify for the final this time. In Olympics, she is the oldest woman ever to participate in a sports. The question is, in which sports she took part in? So generally, the sports is regarded where younger participants took part, but she broke the stereotypes and took participates for the 8th time, and she's so give what the name of the sports she plays. Very beautiful game. She is from Uzbekistan. So give me the name of the sport she played. Yeah, moving to the next question. Yeah, the lady in the picture had participated in equestrian in the 1976 Olympics. She is also the president of British Olympic Association and a member of the International Olympic Committee. Who is she, or what is the speciality about her? She is. You can give her name also, or tell about why she is special in. What is the speciality about her? And there is a rule in Olympic Games where the participants' sex test is done, but this test was not done with her in respecting about something. So she's so give me the name of her, or what is the speciality about her? So you can also guess from the question also. Yeah. Moving to the next question. Yeah, she is Nino Salukpadze, a shooter from Georgia. She had also took part in the 2016 Rio Olympics along with her son, Sotne Mekavariani. What is her record in Olympic Games? Yeah, she holds an record and she is the only one woman to achieve that. So give me her record. Yeah, you can guess from the question. Yes, she took part with her son and her name is Nino Salukpadze. She is a shooter from Georgia. So my question is, what is her record in Olympic Games? Next question. Yeah, this tweet was tweeted by a famous Indian personality after Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in Tokyo 2020. So give me the name. Whose tweet? Who tweeted this after Neeraj Chopra's win in Tokyo 2020? A very known name among Indians. So give me the name. Moving to the next question. Yeah, this is I think one of the easiest question. Uh, who Amul's ad on whom? I mean, if an Olympian from India, give me the name on whom the Amul made this ad. Yeah, going to the next question. Yeah, she is a gymnast from Soviet Union. She won 18 medals in Olympics and became the highest medal-winning woman in Olympics. She won 18 medals and became the highest medal-winning woman in Olympics. What is her name? So we all know her male counterparts, which is Michael Phelps, who won the highest medal in Olympics. But we don't actually. We also should know her name also because she won the highest medals in Olympic Games. So give me her name. So moving to the next question, and yeah, yes, she was the fifth child of her parents and lived in Chennai. She always wanted to pursue a career in sports, but was never sure what sports to pursue. The game came accidentally to her as her school had no openings for other sports. She started practicing the game with bamboo mat equipments as her father's financial condition is not good. Her mother was even forced to pawn her jewelry to keep funding for her sports career. Who is she? So, in Tokyo 2020, she made news by participating in a sports for the first time as an Indian. So she was born in Chennai, and she started playing the game accidentally, but now she became an Olympian from that sports. So give me her name. Moving to the next question. Yeah, the last question, I think the most easiest question of the quiz. Simply identify who is that person. Identify the picture. So I think no one should miss this question. And this is the last question of the today's quiz. So with this question, I want to end the question and just a quick rerun. Yeah.
Okay, so this was the first question, and you just have to tell what incident brought Srikakulam to national limelight. On to the next question. Just name this woman. Just identify this woman who is otherwise not known to many people. Next question. So a very easy one, I would say. Why this picture is important in history, and just identify the woman at the center. The fourth question, just tell why Sakshi Malik's win was unique in its own way. Like, we all know about all the women Olympians from India, but why Sakshi Malik's win particularly is unique to India? A very simple one, just identify the person who is behind this brand, this particular brand. So the question is on an Amul ad. Just complete the title dash Hamara, and on what occasion this ad was released by Amul. You just have to give the the occasion. Seventh question, you just have to tell why this woman is important, or what some achievement that she achieved in the year 1981, and she was one of the two women to achieve that something in the year 1981. You just have to tell what achievement. Eighth question, very easy one, I would say. Just give X, which is a major financial center of Japan, and also a surname of a very popular and talented player. That's all. Moving on to the next question. Just give the old name of this sport, which is only meant for women participants in the Olympics. So simply just give the name of the woman on which this particular movie or this particular biopic is based on. So the last question from my side, just give the connect. What is common between these three women?
So in this question, just you have to tell why her win in 1948 Olympics was significant in the history of Olympics. So in this question, a player from Bangalore, India, became the first ever to represent India in sports and mesmerized with her performance in Tokyo 2020. And who is she? Give her name. And she is Oksana Sosu-Vitina from Uzbekistan, and she took participate in the 8th Olympic. And my question is, in which sport she took participated? She took participate. Yeah, simply identify the lady, who is she, or what is the speciality about her. She is the president of British Olympic Association. Yeah, so she is Nino Salubadje, and she took. So give me her record in Olympic Games. What feat achieved by her in Olympic Games? So this tweet is given by a famous Indian personality after Neeraj Chopra's win. So whose tweet? So simple, identify Amal's ad on whom. So she won 18 medals in Olympics. Just give me her name. And in this question, I want the name of the player who started playing a game accidentally and become the Olympian of first Olympian to participate in that particular game. Just give me her name. Yeah, you have to just identify. So after this, I want to hand over Rajiv Lavar for the further proceeding of the quiz. Thank you.
Thank you, Papuri, and thank you, Rushmita, for contributing to this channel, and thank you for the contribution to this quiz fest. I would say that was a brilliant set, and probably the participant will also agree. And thank you every participant for participating in this quiz. Do subscribe the channel, share with your friends about this channel as well, and obviously do submit your answer within the 300 seconds of the thank you slide when it appeared. So probably already 40-50 seconds down, so you probably have 250 seconds left. So submit it fast as you can. So only Google form will be accepted, no anything for WhatsApp or something will do, only the Google form will be accepted. So that's all.